So today what we're going to talk about is one important element actually in the customer journey. So we're going to talk about the digital branch or the smart branch and what we do in that domain. So what you see first in my right side is actually what we call a smart engage solution. And the way why we named it that way, because it's basically a self-purpose build machine that we build it with any customers in any vertical. So basically the way we engage with any customer, just we go get them, we don't enforce any reality. We tell them whatever you want to implement, we're just going to make it happen. So eventually we go understand their process. Once we get the process right, we just reflect it immediately in the technology. So that's why we build it as a solution. There is no written product behind it. So it's a very smart thing. So basically what you see in my right side, this is what we call it a smart branch. You can do it to automate all the branches, and this is one of the main initiatives we see it with the government and also the government for the private sector, which is they want to minimize the number of people visiting the branch and talking to people. So this is what we do in that domain. So this is an example in the bank example in which we're going to dispense a credit card. So you walk into that branch, you come in here, you see there is multiple offers to start a credit card. So the customer will click for that credit card, and because the credit card, because of regulation issue, immediately we're gonna start a video session with the call center. So now we're waiting for the agents to pick up. While we're waiting for the agents to pick up, what we do a targeted video. So these videos can be anything. So it can be based on the location of the video. We can put up a marketing video or a self-services video based on time of day and so on and so forth. So now the agent pick up, and here we start the two video call. Hello? Hi. Good evening. I'm just walking for the demo now. Yeah, so stay with me, please. Stay on the call. Okay. So imagine now what we can do. Actually, you can talk to the agent from here. And if you're a guy who like always to use your handset, you can just plug in your handset from here and you start talking to an agent. Now we reflect the process exactly in here. This process is fully customizable, as I said. It's based on the customer requirement. It can work for any kind of vertical. So we start with the credit card. We say, I wanted this credit card. You click into it, and immediately the system tells you, please insert your Emirates ID. Then you get in your Emirates ID in here. It's gonna scan it one way, the other way. Then it's gonna release it to you. It's gonna show it here, this both of them. Then if you're happy about it, you can continue. Of course, the agent can see everything that I'm doing here. Then still you do fingerprint. Then I'll do fingerprint. It will show that the fingerprint is correct. You've done it. So now I authenticate that customer. It has multiple level of authentication. Then I do continue. So now the remote officer, as I say, is processing everything. So what else? I can enter that information, or I can ask the agents to request for assistance. So if I'm not able to type, so I can say, Mr. Agent, please, can you take control? So the agent is taking control, and as you can see, she's just filling out the information in my behalf. Please, can you fill out the information, please? Just fill more information. Okay, thanks. No problem. So now she's, as you can see, she's taking the control here. She's just filling out the information. I put it back to the speaker now. I put it up. Okay. So we do continue then? Yes? Yeah. So as we continue to ask for, yeah. So basically here now, imagine you are in the process. We wanted to scan your passport copy or any kind of document you want to provide. So you just put whatever info that you want it here, and it scan that document. So it's gonna scan actually all what is inside here. You see here on the screen, it scan the documents inside. So it's another way of sharing information. Then you accept that information, go to the next. So now they're okay. Now the remote officer is just processing the information. Okay, I approve the documents. So once you finish, of course, in any like financial or any other transaction, it's open up for a digital signature. So you can open up the pen and you can do a signature here, as you can see. Then you can save that signature and say, okay, and now we're done with the process. I can confirm. Then I need to enter my PIN. As you see, we put it inside for security reasons. I enter it again. PIN successfully set. Said okay, and it just spin the credit card for me. So I just get a credit card with a centralized help. You can put it in anywhere in here. So imagine now in a very quick manner, and I get my receipt in a quick way. So I'm moving out from the branch. You know, I did what I wanted to come to the branch, and I'm moving out. So I walk in here and I see the digital signage. Good. I see the digital signage. Digital signage, basically you can put up whatever product that you want to put up in here. So I get interested in this customer experience product. So I walk in here and I say, okay, this is nice. My mortgage or my a premium service in a service provider, you can just name it. And I just go in here and I click into it. So once you click, it opens up a video for you. So basically you can put up whatever you want. So the example that we wanted, we put up a video in here. So from which you don't want to spend too much time listening to that video, you're in a hurry. So what do? You just open up a normally QR code reader and you just scan that QR code. And basically what it does is gonna transfer that session from here to here. And what we can do from here, you're walking, you're reading that information, and now you wanted to ask for somebody to help you about it. And again, you can start up a video chat from here and start speaking to an agent in the call center, which is gonna help you close it. So basically what we've done, we get in from digital to branch, we get into the branch, then we go back to digital and we do the purchase cycle again. So this is basically what we do in the smart branch.